Very exciting times.
There is lights over here. The line is pretty long. But we're hoping to get this Chanel 19 purse.
Tell her to get it, not the Prada.
We'll see. Okay, so Soupy and I waited in line for Chanel. Mainly she did. I dragged her. And I really wanted the white Chanel 19 with gold hardware, small. They told me they sold it out, and then the girl tried to sell me on this metallic pink one.
It's so cute.
I'm gonna put a picture right over here. You guys, there's literally fuchsia, white, cream. I didn't want to make what do you call it? Impulse decision because, you know, we make good financial decisions on this channel. So I decided I'm gonna sleep on it. And if I still want it on Monday,
we're gonna get it.
We're gonna get it.
The next day.
It's the Chanel 19 iridescent.
So you can be on the lookout for the handbag. See if you see anything that may be comparable or, you know, the same type of style in the spring summer at Q collection.
You guys, this Chanel thing is like, I'm becoming addicted with it. I've literally been up until 3 a.m. last night watching YouTube videos going back and forth of whether or not this purse is worth buying. It is a pink iridescent color. It literally is a unicorn color. It looks like a pearl pink. It is a Chanel 19 small. It is sold out everywhere, but there's still a medium that I can buy in the Soho location, which I was like, I'll just get it tomorrow on my day off. So this purse is selling for $5,700 in the size medium. The small is going for $5,200, and online it is reselling right now for $7,000 to $9,000. Now this bag just came out January 18th. It hasn't even been a full month. Actually, it's been 1 full month since it came out with spring summer 21. It's the spring summer 21, so it's the 21P, and that just means like it's like the pre-spring summer for 2021. Anyways, I feel like this purse has a really high resale value, and the ROI on it is honestly more than a high yield savings account at this point. But it's also like, I don't want to make an impulse decision, so I called customer care at Chanel. She tracked it down to like Bergdorf's in New York and this Neiman Marcus in Scottsdale, which I already called last night, and they said it's sold out, but Bergdorf is saying that they might get an extra order of it. So I don't know if I should wait for the medium. When the medium sells out, then should I just get the small? I don't know, it's literally taking up my entire freaking day. My best friend was like, up, like you literally have OCD, obsessive Chanel disorder, and you need to stop. And like, I have literally so much stuff I need to do, you guys, for like content for next month, just like my overall well-being. Like I need to go to the grocery store, but I've been nonstop thinking about this purse. Oh my god, why do I fucking care so much? Ugh. And like yesterday, I'll show you guys clips over here. I went into Prada because I was like, oh, maybe I'll get the multi-pouche or whatever it's called. Basically, it's like a strap that goes around. You guys have definitely seen it. It's very street. And it's like the 2005 remake bag that they did. It's like very 2000s, but it comes with a little pouch in the front where you can put your AirPods or your keys. So like if you're living in the city and you're on the go a lot, going on the subway or like running around, or like me walking my dog, I feel like that Prada purse is like so good for living in New York City, but it's also such a trendy purse that I feel like it's gonna go out of style in like the next 2-3 years. It's also pretty affordable. I mean, it's only $1,300. So after taxes, it comes out to $1,500. The thing is, it's made out of nylon, and I just cannot justify paying that much for a plastic purse. It's synthetic fabric. It's not even like real fabric. Like, I know the other purse is Chanel is like calfskin or lambskin, and that's like really fucked up. But if I'm going to die, if I'm an animal and I'm going to die, I would want to be reborn as Chanel. I just feel like that would be a great way to be reborn. You know, like at least be reborn into a beautiful purse is how I think about it. And I really want this bag. I don't know. I need to start my day. Why am I still thinking about this? Should I go tomorrow? Maybe I should go tomorrow. Oh my god, you guys, my essay from Scottsdale just texted me. Let me just read to you what it says. She says, I just reached out to my friend at Neiman. She said she can get it from another store, but it would have to be ASAP. Do I get it? I feel like this is a lot of money, but I should get it. And I almost found out that they ran out of it in a medium, so I think this is a sign from the universe that I should get it. Morning, guys. It is Chanel day. We are going to go pick up my Chanel bag. For you guys who don't know, I shipped my Chanel bag from Bergdorf's yesterday to New Jersey, so I could get a tax waiver on it. So today I actually rented a car for $57 and I am okay, so basically I rented a car from my neighborhood to drive to New Jersey and it was only $57 and I'm going to go pick up the purse. They actually overnighted the purse, so it's already in New Jersey right now. It just needs to be dropped off at the house, and I've actually never been out to New Jersey besides like Newark Airport and like Hoboken. So I think it'll be really cool to like explore the neighborhoods. I have a lot of friends that are from New Jersey and I have a lot of clients that are from New Jersey, and I think it overall helps me to understand like their point of view if I'm out in their hood. So we're gonna drive out there and get the car. I feel really ridiculous that I rented a car to go pick up a Chanel bag to get it tax waived, but you know what? I saved like $490. So I think this is a really good financial decision. So let's go to the car rental. Hi guys. Okay, so we got the car rental. Brody's over here. Brody, say hi. There is a $125 fee if he gets dog hair everywhere, so I'm like wrapping my coat under him so he can get under it. And then I think we're gonna go to Palisades Park, which is like the K-Town area where you can get food. And then we're gonna go to the beach, and it says on FedEx that Gretchen, the purse, is actually on the truck getting to my friend's soon. So that's exciting, and I'll take you guys on this journey to go get this purse. Here's the car that they gave me. They actually gave me a Nissan Altima, and actually it has California plates, so I feel like this is very fitting. This is actually a lot of room, which I think will be good for this road trip because it's kind of like raining today, so that'll be good. Like I don't know how to drive in the snow, and hopefully there isn't a lot of snow. Let's turn this thing on. Ooh, okay. Pop this out. Okay. Always gotta fix your mirrors, you guys. Okay, next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure we're plugging in. Next thing we want to make sure we're doing is making sure that our phone is plugged in. So I'm going to connect to the Bluetooth now. So we're going to go to Short Hills, which is kind of like the Beverly Hills of New Jersey, and I guess everything in New Jersey, clothing wise, shopping is sales tax is nothing, so we're definitely going to do some shopping, even though I just bought this purse. She's here. Okay, we got her! We are in central New Jersey right now, and Brody and I are going to go to the grocery store because grocery shopping is so much better in the suburbs and just hits different. So we're gonna do that, but we also need to get dog hair lint roller because they're gonna charge me $130 if there's dog hair in the car, which makes sense. It just kind of sucks because now I have to go find it. But yeah, let's go. The last 3 days I've literally been so crazy. Like, what happened was I originally dropped my caviar black Chanel medium flap on the street in the snow when I was like walking, and the salt got on the bag, so I had used like a baby wipe to wipe it off, and I thought I got it all off, and then I used it one weekend and I found out that the salt was still on there and it was like really impacting the leather. And the thing with Chanel is you can actually bring back the bags to the stores, and like there's like a lifetime, they will clean it and all this stuff. So went in there, was not thinking about buying this bag whatsoever. Like, I had heard about the Chanel 19 and I thought it was cute, but didn't really think about getting it. I thought maybe I would just like save my money. And I originally actually wanted the white one, so I ended up going back because I contacted my SA back in Scottsdale, Arizona, where I originally bought it from, and she found a black one, and I thought I wanted a black one, but all my bags are black, and I'm actually more of like, I feel like need a color person in my life. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get the white one, and I think I'm ready to get a white purse. I think I won't get it dirty. So then I went in the next week to just try it on. I tried on a lot of purses. I tried on the Prada like multi-pouche that all the like influencers have. I really like that, but it didn't really fit my camera in there. And then it was also like plastic. It's made from this plastic material. So then I went to Dior, and Dior, like the saddle bag literally doesn't fit anything. The salesperson was like not even making eye contact with me. It was like honestly very weird. I went to Louis Vuitton, tried on the multi-pouche as well, because I was looking for a bag that I could probably like run around New York City with my dog, and even that one just wasn't feeling to me. So I went to go try on the white one. The white one was really beautiful, and it did fit my camera inside, so I felt like Goldilocks, like finally finding the bed that fit right for her. And as I was trying it on, they were like, oh, well, we don't really have the white in a small. And I was trying it on with this like other magenta color, so then they gave me this medium, this in a like, well, it's like a medium, it's called a large. So this is the small, and then the next level up is a large, and then it goes maxi, but this is basically like the size of a small, of a classic medium. And I wanted it in this size. I didn't want the like middle one, which they call large. So I decided I would research to try to find it. I hit up my old SA. I called customer care. They told me that they had one at Bergdorf's and they had one at Neiman Marcus, Scottsdale. So I called my old SA, who I was working with for Neiman's. They didn't have it there. Literally that night I was like calling Bergdorf's. They said they don't have it, but they might get a shipment in because they bought a couple, and I guess they come in like as they come in. But nationwide, this bag is sold out. There is no more of these bags. They literally came out January 18th. I'm filming this on March 25th. So this bag has only really been out for like 1 month, and it's already sold out. This is it with the chain. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. So I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get it. So I became obsessed with this bag. I find out that it's reselling for double the amount online on the resale site. So this is $5,200. It's reselling anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 right now, which is like such a good investment. Like, it's only been out for 3 weeks and it's already double selling. So if I get over it, like, I know I can resell it. This is kind of like similar to the rose gold one that came out in 2017 that is selling for double. So I felt like this was a good investment. It honestly spoke more to me than the white Chanel 19 in small. I felt like, I don't know, the white on my skin just looked weird. I don't know if you ever like put a bag next to your skin and you're like, oh, it looks good. Like, this looks really good, I feel like, next to my skin. And I'm in natural light right now. I was gonna use my ring light, but it glistens. It's like a pink and then it's like an orange goldy tone, and this is literally the color I always get on my nails. I get this mermaid chrome and I use like this chrome powder to put it on, so I felt like it was really on brand. And I also felt like it was on brand with our channel brand colors. But outside of like aesthetic, the financial gain on this purse, you guys, one, I can resell it for double the amount. okay? Second, I collected major points on this bag on my Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you guys haven't seen my Chase Sapphire Reserve card videos, I'll put the link over here and you can check out how I can collect points and make money. Also, another thing is I was able to get this basically tax-free because I actually, you know, purchased and had it sent to Jersey. So that was like a nice little thing. And on top of that, like, honestly, like, Chanel, like, is just gonna keep going up. My other classic Chanel bag I got for $4,600, and I actually paid tax on that, but I got a 10% discount because I opened up a Saks card and then closed it. Don't ever do that. And I ended up paying like $5,000 something. So this purse might be the same amount as my classic flat from 5 years ago with the price increase, and it's like the new bag, and it's the last bag that Karl Lagerfeld made before he passed away. And I feel like this is the bag that I wanted when I was like a 19-year-old girl, and it's a Chanel 19. It fits so much. It's such a cute bag. I feel like you could literally wear it out, you could wear it at night, you could wear it in the daytime. It fits literally everything. It's so cute. And I'm just super proud of myself because I feel like it's a really good financial investment, and last year was such a crappy year. Like, and I got myself through mentally, don't know how, and also like built this channel to where it is now, and I just wanted to celebrate. So this is my Chanel 19. Give this video a like if you want more unboxing videos or like fashion tips on how to hack high fashion. And comment below if you would get this bag. Actually, I don't care if you don't want this bag because I have it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.